Hello everybody, my name is Marcus, I'm from PFY, Photo Film for You. You might know us from our previous products, which you can see behind me, the Maverick gimbal and so on. But today I would like to introduce you our new product. It's called the Matrix. Matrix is our new portable video RGB light. It is a 14 watt RGB light. And it has also a little brother, Matrix Mini, with a size of a credit card, and is a 7 watt model. The Matrix has a very nice, valuable wooden design, comes with an L bracket which can be turned around, has a lot of 1/4" screw holes at the side and also at the bottom, where you can be flexible for mounting or for placing on the table like this and so on. The Matrix comes with an OLED display with an HSI ring indicator, and at the side you have the dimming wheel, the rock switch where you can change the settings, and the mode button. Charging, the Matrix will be charged via USB-C port. It's a quick charge port where you can charge it with 5 volt, 9 volt as well as with 12 volt. Okay, that's it. Let's power it on. If you press the power button for around 2 seconds, then it will be powered on. You can see here the indication, the battery indication and the active mode. Right now we are in the CCT mode. With the dimming wheel we can now adjust up to 100% the light, and it's very flexible to adjust it. With the function button or function rock switch you can adjust with 100 increments the color temperature, and with the mode button you switch between the modes. We have the CCT mode, we have the HSI mode where you can set the color and the saturation, and we have the effect mode with 12 pre-configured effects, and we have our new freestyle mode. This is very unique, no other RGB light has this. You have millions of possibilities with this, where you can set up your own effects, your own special effects for your setup. Of course, the Matrix Mini has all these features as well. And both can be controlled via app, and this I want to go to show you now. First you need to download it. You can download it from the QR code which is shown on our website, pfy-tech.com or pilotfly.de. Once you have downloaded it, you will see the icon on the screen. We open the app and then you will see there's a bundle app where you can also control other devices from us, like the Eagle Eye. This is an HDMI transmitter, and we swipe to the right side and then we press enter. We power on the Matrix, press enter, and then you see a scanning screen, and we select the Matrix. This is PFY_M1, and now let's put it there. So, and now we are online. So with the app you have the possibility to switch on and off the light. We are right now in the CCT mode, and you can change the color temperature with the slider, and you have also hotkey buttons where you can switch easily between the color temperatures, and a very cool feature is you can set up each button by yourself with your settings, what you want. So you press and hold the button, it will open another window, then you can set up the color temperature as you like, then press confirm, and then it will be stored there. We have color compensation settings here, where you can add a little bit red to your color temperature to make it more tungsten or more colder. And there is also another slider for the intensity. You can also adjust, and with the hotkey percentage for the dimming, you can also pre-configure as you want, and you can change it to, for example, 80%, confirm, and then you have set it up to 80%. So you're very flexible here, and each setting can be set up by your own. When we switch to the HSI, then you will see the color wheel and 12 color indicators here on the bottom, color cycles. So on the top you can also power on off the RGB light, which is very very comfortable actually. You have a saturation slider, the intensity slider is also there, and the HSI cycle ring, where you can instantly change the color as you like. The color cycles on the bottom, the 12 in total, you can set it up for your own colors. So you don't need to set it up every time when you power it up. And when you want to use the RGB light, you can set it up there, press and hold the cycle which you want to set up. Then a new window appears, you can set up the saturation, you can change the color, you can change the intensity for it, and then confirm it, and here we go. We have now set up our own color. There's also a small camera icon at the right corner, and if you press there, this is a color picker. You can pick up a color as you want, for example here, and then we change, we take a picture of it, and the color picker will take this color through the camera from your smartphone, and the software, the algorithm, will transfer it to the RGB light, and here we go, we have now the color. All this runs with Bluetooth mesh, so you're very flexible. You can connect as many lights as you wish, up to 255 RGB lights. So it's really very versatile. Next icon is the effect mode. We can enter there, then you will see on the top, you will see our freestyle mode. And on the bottom area you can see the icons of the 12 pre-configured effects. I will not introduce you now each effect, because this is all clearly indicated by the icons, by the symbols, as well as in the user manual. For the effect mode, it's very interesting, because here, as I said before, you have the possibility to set up through 4 channels, 4 different colors or 4 different color temperature, and you can set it up based on a certain time, and then you can switch between these colors under a specific time, and here we go, you have all the flexibility you need to create your own color effects. The last icon of the pre-configured modes, this is the rainbow icon. If you press and hold it, it will show up another window where you can change the cycle time. The cycle time of this rainbow color, the Matrix will now cycle the whole HSI ring under a specific time which we have set it up here. And the last icon it shows mesh. If we enter here, you will see a list of all the RGB lights which are in the mesh net now and which are connected to the Matrix app. And on the indicators you can see here, for example, it's PFY M1, this is now the Matrix, and the M1 is the Matrix Mini is here. If I press now on the M1, I can power it off. The MM1 I can power it off. And on the PFY M1 you can see a checkbox on the top right corner. And this indicates that you can control this light now. So that means I'm now with the PFY Matrix. I go to the HSI mode, and here I can turn the color, and it will not affect to the Matrix Mini, just with the Matrix. If I want to control the Matrix Mini, then I press on the icon of the Matrix Mini, a pop-up window will appear, then I will select control the device. The checkbox will jump to the Matrix Mini icon, and here we go, we can now change the color here of the Matrix Mini, and the Matrix stays. We can also create a group. If we the group list is on the bottom area of the screen. You press the plus button on this icon, then we can set up a group. Let's call it G1, for example. Press confirm, and now if we press on the icon again and go to edit group devices, then we can select with the checkbox here which are Matrix lights should be in this group. Let's group it now with Matrix and Matrix Mini. Press save, and now both RGB lights are in group 1 now. We can press on this icon and we power it off, both now, because they're all in the group, and power it on. And we can also control the group if we press on the icon and let's say control devices in the group, and you see the checkbox is now moving down to the group icon, and now we can go to the CCT mode, for example, and change or HSI and change the colors, and both lights are controlled now. So in this you can control as many lights as you wish, up to 255. This is pretty much, but everything is possible here. So you are very flexible with this application, and has a lot of features integrated. Well, that was a short introduction of our new portable video RGB light, Matrix and Matrix Mini, and that's it so far. By the way, it has Matrix as well as Matrix Mini. They have a cold shoe mount on the top, where you can cascade the lights if you like, or you can mount an additional accessory like a microphone on it. So you're actually very flexible. The Matrix Mini has 2 magnets, and you can mount it on metal. So you're very flexible with mounting options. You have plenty of mounting options. Both RGB lights have plenty of mounting options. So the versatility is very high. I hope you liked the short introduction. I will do some more videos, because it's not ending on the features of the Matrix. We have plenty more unique features of the Matrix which no other RGB light has, like RX-TX control. I will show you next time. You can control each light without the app. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time. Thank you.